I know today's video is going to be a review and I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this to come in the mail and it finally came. And you guys, I'm texting it. It is the new BenQ light, and you guys have seen me review this company a couple times. This is the third light that they sent me, and this is by far my favorite one, you guys. It's super lightweight. You literally clip it right onto your computer. I have a laptop, so it works perfectly on it. It is USB powered, so I don't have to plug it into the wall. The other lights, you did have to plug it in. This one, you plug it right into your laptop. It has an auto dimmer, so you guys have different lights, which I will be demonstrating in a minute. Like, they have light, like a blue light, yellow light, like different lights, different lightness, like super bright, low light, stuff like that. Like I said, auto dimmer, dimmable, and then it has warm and cold light, which I just told you the different colors, the different brightness, everything like that. I'm going to show you guys the back. Actually, the instructions that came with it was right here. It is in Chinese, but they did have like English on top of the Chinese, so it was very, very easy for me to figure out how to set it up and everything. The back, it does tell you how to clamp it onto your computer, desktop, or laptop. Like I said, I have a laptop, and I would just give you more information. Just demonstrating, super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. So here's the light right here. This is literally just the bar light, and I will leave below my reviews to the previous lights so you guys can compare and see which one's the best one. Like I said, by far this is my fave. This is just one piece. It did come separate in the box, so it comes like this. You just snap it on right here, and then here's the actual light control. So it does have a USB cord right here. The bottom looks like this, and you literally just plug it into the e-reading bar right here. Boom, plugged in, and then like this. So you guys plugged in, and then there's another strap that's connected to the little control that I will be plugging into my laptop. You guys, so as I said before, I will be using it on a laptop. This is my HP Stream, and it literally works perfect with the BenQ light. Literally, all I do to make it work is there's the USB. We're just gonna plug it into the USB port. It's plugged in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy I install the light. Here's a light right here. Literally just go to the back of my laptop, put it like this, and boom, you see that? The light is installed on my laptop. It's not covering the webcam or anything. Perfect. So like I said, it's plugged in. Here's the dial. All I do to turn it on, click it, and boom. Oh my gosh, look at that light. And what I love about this light is it is adjustable. So if it's too bright and you don't want it towards you, just push it a little bit down, and it's literally shining right on the laptop. So if you guys are like me, a stay-at-home mom, I do most of my work at night, editing on my blog and stuff like that. So I definitely need some lighting without putting all the lights in my house on. So this is perfect. And what I love about this dial is it is adjustable. So if it's too bright, I could turn it down a little bit. I could change the actual lighting if I want yellow light, bluish light. If I want it super bright, I can change the brightness. So see how I changed it? Boom, the brightness. If I want to turn the light down, I can do that. Or if I want it super bright, I can do that. So I love that. You know, you can press this button to adjust the light. You could press this button to adjust the coloring. Like I said, yellow light, blue light, stuff like that. And then if you're done, boom, that's it. Super convenient, super easy. You literally do not need to do much to use this light. And then if you're done for the day, take it off and you're done. That's it. So you guys, super easy. Absolutely love this light. Like I said, all the info will be in the description. Couldn't be more happier with this light. So yeah guys, that's it for today's review. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. I was super excited getting in the mail. I literally could not wait to unbox it and just set it up. I did use it last night. It is the next day that I'm filming this, but you guys, I just really love it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing your own, everything will always be in the description box below. My previous reviews, so you guys could get a little bit more idea about this company, will also be in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.